Alright, so I'll be making a three-parter on this video. I made the first one explaining it together, the wheel above and wheel below. So I'm gonna just explain the wheel above, alright? So you see this image here? This is our yellow sun. Our yellow sun orbits the Milky-way galaxy in 12,000 years. That's 144,000 months. So the stars are the chosen ones, alright? So if you're a religious person and you really read any religious text from any culture, this means the Quran, okay? That's Muhammad, the yellow sun. You read the Buddhists, the Buddha is the yellow sun. You read the Jews, the Christians, Jesus is the yellow sun. Now, a lot of people are coming up with new names for the yellow sun, like Yeshua, Yasawa, whatever names you give it, it's all about the yellow sun, right? For example, Noah is the yellow sun, Goliath is the yellow sun, Abraham is the yellow sun. The yellow sun has many names, many stories in all our cultures, all right? Keep in mind, even Hollywood, all those movies are astrological, right? So basically 90% of all the stories here in the planet Earth are all astrological. And people don't even know it because they haven't developed the ability to think, all right? So there we go. So we're going to explain in this tablet, the wheel above, you will see the four corners of the earth. Water is the ice age. Earth, that's what we live in right now. The fire age, high carbon levels, and the air age. Each of these is of 3,000 years. So the water age of 3,000 years, the earth age of 3,000 years, the fire age of 3,000 years, and the air age of 3,000 years. So in this tablet, we're gonna start here in the age of Pharaohs. You see how the yellow sun here is the god Horus. All right, you must understand that. Now, when you read the Emerald Tablet of Thoth, Thoth is the red sun. His father taught me is the yellow sun. All right. So right here is Horus. Okay, he's the yellow sun, holding the bull. All right. His mom Isis is the red sun. His father, Osiris, is all 13 constellations bound together. But I'm getting off the subject because that's the wheel below. So, but I just want you to understand who these characters are. It's the same as the religious Bibles. All these characters are all fictional. They're explaining our solar system. All right? So, again, we're going to start in the age of Pharaohs. So let's say this is the age of Pharaoh, this wheel right here. This is number 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will have the age of Pharaohs. You see, number 5, age of Pharaohs. Then comes Gemini, Cancer, and Leo. All right. So you will have Pharaohs, number 5, Gemini, number 6, then Cancer, number 7, and Leo, number 8. All right. Just want you to understand that. Why are they pointing to that? Because for 4,000 years in the future, we got another 1,000 years to go because we're in the age of Aries, right? There will be 2 suns in the sky. A yellow sun, our yellow sun, we located in the cross between the 4 seasons and the constellation Dogs are Sirius. You see, our yellow sun is moving in the Milky-way galaxy, okay? So for 4,000 years, we'll be seeing the blue sun in the constellation Sirius, right? Like when you read NASA gives you the truth hidden. Like, for example, all Bibles is philosophy mixed with science. Same with NASA is philosophy mixed with science. They don't tell you the complete truth. They just lie to you. For example, one of them says, when you read NASA, 10,000 light years away, there's a space dust, okay? A reservoir of water. I think it's reservoir of water they talk about. 10,000 years, but they don't explain anymore. You see, but so you have to understand why they're saying 10,000 years. So now you know we have 10,000 years of sunlight, 2,000 years of darkness, you see? And when you read the Bible, the beginning, the mist, the void, the vapors, the restoration is the 2,000 years of darkness, all right? So now you know. So right here we got 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's the age of Pharaohs. So we have number 5 from the earth age. We got 1,000 years because we're in the age of Aries right now, the year 2000. So when you look over here, okay, In the age 3, there's a calendar reset. We're in the year 2000. Like when you talk to a lot of people, they think we live in the age of Aquarius. No, we don't live in the age of Aquarius. Because if we did, there would be no sunlight. There would be space dust covering everything. Okay? The earth would be completely in ice. We'd be living underground. So the calendar reset in the age of Pisces. Okay? So now we're in the age 4, year 2000. In another 1,000 years, we'll be in the age of Taurus, you see? So that will be, in the future, people are going to be seeing 2 suns in the sky. Not counting the third sun. For example, 3 eyes, the third eye, 3 eyes in the sky, 3 suns in the sky. Because the red sun comes in every 1,000 years. Awakens the 8 suns. That's climate change, all right? More radiation coming into Earth, all right? So again, let's get started. I don't want you guys getting confused. So right here is the fire age, okay? We got 5 from the age of Earth, then the fire age of 3,000 years. But for 4,000 years, we'll be having 2 suns, the people in the future. So then we're going to count 9, 10, 11. That's the air age, okay? Air age. Let's say this one here, I'm not sure which one is which, but let's say this one is Sagittarius. This is the last 1,000 years of sunlight. You see the picture there? The last hour. Then these 2 right here will be Capricorn Aquarius, the 2,000 years of darkness. No sunlight. People will live underground, all right? They will eat each other. There's no sun. There's no vegetation. The earth is without form. That means the earth is covered in ice. The rivers are frozen. The oceans are frozen. Everything is ice. The earth is without form. Now you go outside, you see the trees, you see the rivers, you see that earth has form. You get it? That's for you religious people who doesn't know how to read. You use imagination, okay? Religious people, when they read their Bible, they make up opinions. But I use nature. I don't use opinion. I give you facts and evidence, all right? So then you will see the return of the yellow sun in the age of Pisces. Then we right here in the age of Aries. See? So now it makes sense for you guys, hopefully. So remember, Capricorn Aquarius is the 2,000 years of darkness. There's also a calendar reset there. Reset. So people will live in underground. There's a lot of movies telling you for 2,274 years. Okay, and the one movie is Long and Run. Okay, hopefully you watch that movie. It's an old movie. It tells you Capricorn. All right, and it's a pretty cool movie. So then the sun returns in the 3rd day. There will be another calendar reset. Then we have 10,000 years of sunlight. So you will see these wheels over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 8,000 years, we'll be having 1 sun. So we're right here, okay? So we didn't have no sun here. There's no sunlight, okay? For 2,000 years. Then the sun returns. 1, 2, okay? So we got a sun, 1 and 2. Okay, we got the sun. So in the age of Taurus, we have 2 suns in the sky for 4,000 years. Then the 1 sun will leave. We keep following our sun in the Milky-way galaxy. All right. Then we'll be seeing another 1 sun in the age of the air age, 9, 10, 11, 12. So basically, these people will live with 2 suns. Then the 1 sun will disappear. They'll be seeing 1 sun again in the air age for 4,000 years. Then the people in the future will see the space dust covering the sun. No sunlight. Then our yellow sun will exit the Carina Nebula. Then future people, these people will never see the sun for 2,000 years. They will see the sun. They will probably be afraid because remember, the IQ level will go down here because there's lesser oxygen. Lower IQ. Your primordial instincts will go away. People will be eating each other. Oxygen is what makes us think. It gives our DNA. For example, here in the Earth age, okay, 3 and 4, trees, oxygen levels, it will be 21%. We have the ability to think more, okay? Over here will be at 25%. Your body heals in 1 day. Over here heals in 15 days, you see? So I think in the ice age, no oxygen, how people brains are going to think, all right? So hopefully I explained this. Use the star map and don't use imagination. Bye-bye.